Chapter 4 Microsoft Excel.
Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program or package that you can use to organize, analyze, and attractively present data such as a budget or sales report, etc. It allows us to present all the data in a clear and concise manner and can be used to perform mathematical calculations. Excel also allows us to convert spreadsheet data into various types of charts such as bar chart, pie chart, etc.
How to open MS Excel. Click on Start, All Programs, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Office Excel 2003. The MS Excel screen appears. Basic terms and definitions. Title bar, menu bar, toolbar, address bar, worksheet window, formula bar, column headings, constant value, cell, row headings, block of cell, horizontal scroll bar, sheet tabs, navigation bar, vertical scroll bar, office assistant. Title bar. It displays the name of the current active workbook. Menu bar. The bar on the top of Excel sheet which holds the menus is called menu bar. Toolbar.
The bar below the menu bar is called toolbar. On clicking a particular button, the related command gets activated.
Address bar. It gives us the address of the currently active cell. Formula bar. It allows us to type text numbers and formulas in the current active cell. Sheet tab. It gives us information about the current active sheet. By default, they are named as Sheet 1, Sheet 2, Sheet 3. Column heading.
Each Excel spreadsheet contains 256 columns. Each column is named by a letter or combination of letters.
Row heading.
Each spreadsheet contains 65,536 rows. Each row is named by a number.
Scroll bar.
There are two types of scroll bars present in Excel. The vertical scroll bar is located along the right edge of the screen and is used to move up or down the spreadsheet. The horizontal scroll bar is located at the bottom of the screen and is used to move left or right across the spreadsheet.
Cell. Intersection of row and column is known as cell. To refer to a cell, enter the column name followed by row number. For example, C6 represents a cell in the third column, column C, and sixth row. C6 is correct, but 6C is incorrect. Active cell or selected cell. The cell which has the dark border around it is known as the active cell or current cell. This is the cell that can be acted upon and indicates where the insertion point is located. You can select a new active cell by using the keyboard's arrow keys or clicking on a new cell with the mouse. Block. A group of adjacent cells forming a rectangle is called a block. It is defined by the addresses of the two cells that are in the opposite corners of the rectangular block area from the top left cell in the block to the bottom right cell in the block. A block of cells can be marked by using the mouse or by holding down the Shift key and using the arrow keys. Once a block is defined, you can do many things with that block, such as move it, copy it, delete it, or alter the display of its contents with formatting options. Constant values.
Data that you can type directly into a cell is called a constant value. These can include text, whole numbers, decimal numbers, dates, times, currency, percentages, and scientific notation.
Worksheet. It refers to a row and column matrix sheet. They are used to list, organize, and calculate data. Workbook. Workbook are files in which you work and store your data. They are made up of worksheets. By default, any new workbook contains 3 worksheets, Sheet 1, Sheet 2, Sheet 3. But it can have multiple sheets with different information on each sheet. This permits you to keep related data in one file rather than break it up into several different files. Creating a workbook. A blank workbook is displayed as Microsoft Excel is first opened. To create workbook, choose File, New from menu bar. The new workbook task pane opens on the right side of the screen. Choose blank workbook under new category heading. A blank workbook opens in Excel window. Entering data into worksheet. To enter data in a cell, click the appropriate cell where you want to enter data. Type in the data as shown in the screen. The data can be either entered into the cell or in formula bar. Saving a workbook. Click on File menu. After entering all required data in a worksheet, it can be saved for further reference. Steps for saving a workbook are: click on Save option. A Save As dialog box appears. Select the location where you want to save the workbook. Select the folder and type in file name. Click on Save button to save a file. Closing workbook. After you have completed the work and saved the file, you need to close the workbook. To close a workbook, click on File menu. Click on Close option. Or
Click on Close button.
opening a workbook. Click on File menu and choose Open option. A Open dialog box appears. Select the location where you have saved it. Select the file. Click on the Open button. Inserting worksheets. To insert more worksheet in a workbook, follow these steps. Click on Insert menu and select Worksheet option. A new worksheet will be inserted into your workbook. Editing a cell. To edit a cell in Excel, there are three ways: copying data, deleting data, moving data. Copying data. Select the range of cell to be copied. Click on Edit and Copy option on Use the shortcut key Ctrl+C. Click on the cell into which you want to paste the data. Go to Edit menu and click the Paste option. Moving data. To move the data from one cell to another cell, select the range of data to be moved. Click on Edit menu and Cut option or use shortcut key Ctrl+X. Click on Edit menu and Paste option or use shortcut key Ctrl+V. Deleting data. Select the cell or range of cells that you wish to delete. Press the Delete key on the keyboard to clear the contents in the selected cells. Or right-click and click Delete option. A dialog box will appear. Click the appropriate option and press OK to delete the data. Inserting, deleting, and modifying rows and columns. Formatting cells. We can format the cells by changing the font face, color, size, and merging cells. Click Format menu and Cells option. Choose different tabs to format cells. Merging cell. To merge cell, select the range of cell to be merged. Go to Format menu in Cells Options and select Alignment tab. Check the option Merge Cells and click OK. Note: Merge feature can be used to combine more than one cell and group them in one cell to create headings. Changing the font style. To change the font style, follow the given steps. Select the cell range of cells. Click on Font Face drop-down list option from Formatting toolbar. Select the font style of your choice. Changing the font color. To change the font color, follow these steps. Select a cell or range of cells. Click on Font Color drop-down list button on the Formatting toolbar. Select the color that you want to use. Changing background color of a cells. Background color of cells can be changed by following these steps. Select the cell or range of cells. Click on the Fill Color drop-down list present in the Formatting toolbar. Select a new background color of your choice. Quitting Excel. Click on File menu. Click on Exit option.
Click on Yes button.
Or click Close button.